This. Keep them both in the tuck. This.
Magandang hapon po sa lahat. Ako po si Boy from Baguio City. Yung pong mga kabataan na lumalayo sa mga puro cellphone or pag video games, mas okay po yung mga ganito. Okay po sana magkaroon ng skate park para sa mga bata dyan.
Ako si Sever Hernandez, taga Olonga City. Actually, pangalawa ko na to. Last year ako. Okay naman yung weather, buti na kasama kasi may background ako sa school. Overall, maganda naman yung event. Mas maganda sana next year skate park na. Maganda sa skate park na San Fernando kasi meron sa palit ganun. Sa San Fernando, wala pa. Para papunta kami dito pag maganda ng skate park. Dito na kami mag-skate.
Skateboarding Day dito sa Robinson's Carmel, Pampanga. Pero mas maganda to kung meron tayong sariling skate park para mas dumami pa ang mga tao na maiengganyo na mag-skate at sumali sa mga skate events tulad nito.
How long you think it was gonna take before we got here? Now you gotta prove yourself all over again. Come on.
Ain't nobody coming out been gunning from a
Ako
hundred.
nga po pala si Chester Lloyd Rodriguez. Nagsimula ako mag-skate nung sinama ako ng tropa at nakabuo na ako ng sariling set. Ayun, nagtuloy-tuloy kasama ang mga skaters sa spot. Simula nun, naengganyo na ako maglaro. Ang masasabi ko lang sa GSP ng San Fernando, Pampanga is masaya at enjoy kasama ang mga iba't ibang skaters na dumalo sa event. Salamat din sa mga sumuporta sa event. Sana magkaroon ng skate park dito sa Pampanga.
Everybody knows body blows to bring their head down. I'm ahead now. Second bread and cut the overhead. I'm more prepared now. Feel like Freddie to your favorite rapper. Yeah, they scared now. Kill them all inside my dreams except they really dead now. Head down.
Yeah, that was cool and all. I need you to go harder than that. Come on.
Ain't nobody coming to find me. You ain't no.
Hello guys, this is Bell TV, isa sa mga content creators dito sa Pampanga. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Robinson's Carmel. Napakasaya nitong event ng Vans for Skateboarding Day.
Crime mode, preteen heart, chafing in your jeans, playing just a tip until you slip.
Meron sa live match, so nakalay ng way naging ay at alam sa Vans, no? At sila sa kanilang event. May kahilingan yung mga skateboarder sa Pampanga kung mag-create magkakaroon ng skate park dito sa San Fernando. So support ko man. And sana mag-support sila as soon as possible. Yes, best TV lagi na kasi.
You can't stitch it or sew it, mother.
See, the thing is, they want to put you in a box. They want to tell you who you can be, how you can be, when you need to do it and why. But the truth is, you decide who you're gonna be. Stop waiting for somebody to come fix it for you. I'm gonna tell you right now. Listen.
Ain't nobody coming to do it, it's mostly me and I knew it. I have to bet on myself. I put the house on my music, went into debt for this shit. Sometimes regret what I did, but as a man I'ma make it. Only regret if I quit, only regret if I stop. And I can never be bought, so I ain't checking for labels less I'm controlling the pot. I mean I own all my masters and plus my publishing too. Before I sign them the way I cut back the 40 and shoot like poof. Now here's the proof, I'm Superman in the booth. The Mike Tyson, the mics, you cannot handle the truth. I'm really a non-cool and cold as a front tooth. With an ice cream in your face, stay in your place or get moved. Like I'm Luda, I do you bad in a second. You can't compare with my methods, my mind's a magnetic weapon. So keep relaxing, I'm coming back with an axe and a sword at your front door, declaring that we at war.